Today's tip du jour mailbag question comes to us all the way from Georgia. Robert, pore filling has always been a problem for me. Since I prefer using water-based products, can you recommend a water-based pore filler to use under these products? Matt in Atlanta. Matt, I've also used just about every type of pore filler out there. I've even made my own out of red brick, ground red brick, for example, for mahogany. Used coffee grounds I've used as a pore filler for dark woods like rosewoods and things. So pore filling is always a problem. Now, specifically, you mentioned water-based products. Let me introduce you to a product. This is a Microbead pore filler. It comes from LMI. It's specifically designed to be used with water-based products. It comes in a variety of colors, non-shrinkable, doesn't absorb much of your solvents and your products that go over the top of it. By the way, it can be used with solvent-based products like lacquers and other types of products with the proper attention to detail. But it's specifically designed to be used under water-based products. So let me show you how I use it. So Matt, here's the Microbead filler available from LMI. I've already mentioned it comes in a variety of colors. I'm going to be using a dark color because I'm going to be putting it onto rosewood. You can just put it on here, scoop a little bit out, place it on there. It's very light. It's almost kind of fluffy like a marshmallow. Put it on here. And this is where you can get yourself in trouble. I take a paper towel, just move it around, and see all that mess I've just created on the wood there? Unless you like sanding, you better get that off. So vigorously scrub it across the grain like so. It's going to dry fairly quickly. So what I like to do is add just a little bit of moisture to my towel and then come in and really get it in there, move it around. Unless you like sanding, get it back off of there. Just keep it down inside the pores. A little bit goes a long way. Usually just 1 or 2 applications is enough to do the job. And it sands back very nicely. Now, it probably will dry within an hour or so. If you're going to put a solvent-based product over the top of it, I would probably let it dry overnight before sanding it back. If you get it off the wood, light sanding is all it takes. Using a little bit of moisture on the grains, also raising the grain, you're knocking that back down at the same time, so you're getting ahead of the game there. But that should solve your problem if you want to use that under water-based finish. Like I said, a variety of different colors. Natural, maple, walnut, dark, like an ebony. So take your pick. So Matt in Atlanta, thank you very much for your question. Give this product a try. Perhaps it's the one you're looking for. Happy building.